What's up, good people? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brandon Carpenter. You're watching BKC Cooks. Today I'm doing my first cook with the Perfect Draft blower. So what the Perfect Draft is a blower attachment for your offset cooker. It'll go on virtually any offset smoker, and you will have all the flavor of an offset smoker with the convenience of a pellet grill or gravity fed or something along those lines. Basically, it's going to hold the temperature for you. Technology does the work for you. And you can spend less time tending the fire, more time relaxing or tending to other things, you understand? So, y'all, I'm hoping and wishing that this is going to be pretty simple. I'm quite sure it is. Going to start my pit with this premium lump charcoal from the Good Charcoal. And we'll get our fire going, running clean. And I'm going to throw some wood chunks in there. Once we get our fire clean and right where we want it to be, we're going to connect it. The Perfect Draft, set our temperature, and this thing will keep it nice and steady where we want to be. So I'm going to be doing a rack of ribs. Not going to get into all the prep and all that. I've got tons of rib videos on my channel. If you want to learn how to prep a rack of ribs, just get in there. Matter of fact, you can look at the ribs playlist. That's how many I've done. So let's get this fire going and put this thing to the test, man. Our fire is rocking. I'm gonna close this thing down, get our Perfect Draft attached, and get these temps dialed in. All right, so attaching this is really easy, man. Just right on that hook. Boom, done. Connect the lead for my temperature probe. And I want to go at 250. I'm going into auto control. I'm going to power on. That fan is running. It's going to regulate our temps. I'm going to close down my stack. Get those temps perfectly locked in. Once everything equalizes, we'll be cooking ribs. Simple, right? All right, man. This thing is holding my temps the way I want it. Putting this slab right in the middle. And we're in business. So obviously the temp's gonna drop a little bit when you open this thing up, but that thing kicked on and it's getting it right back to 250. Keep your temps consistent. So again, nice clean fire, good smoke. And it's gonna run that thing exactly the way you want it to go. So again, all the flavor of an offset, because I'm definitely cooking on an offset. Convenience of temperature control, hard to beat. So all we do now is check these in 2 hours. If they're looking right, we'll wrap them for an hour. And we'll be eating ribs. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. All right, y'all, this thing has been rocking for about an hour and 45 minutes. It's doing this thing, man. I still got it dialed in at 250. Still where it's supposed to be. You know, I've added fuel, added wood chunks, but it's just keeping that thing burning right, man. And that can be hard to do in these consumer offsets like this. I've been running large wood chunks, half splits, whatever you want to call them. But that Perfect Draft has been keeping these things burning flawlessly. And like I said, temperatures have been on point, rock solid. And I couldn't be happier with it. So probably going to wrap these ribs. And well, let's take a look. Let's take a quick peek. Yeah. I'm thinking about another half an hour. I'll be wrapping those. And we'll let them go for an hour after that. And yeah, these will be done. But so far, this is actually my first time looking at them. Color's looking good. Get a little more pullback on those bones, I'd be really happy. But you can see that fire is burning nicely in that firebox. Perfect Draft is doing the thing. Absolutely. It's time to wrap these, y'all. Sun's got away from me. Sometimes I forget that it's still winter because our weather is so nice. But yeah, it's time to wrap these. They smell amazing. I smell wood, I smell pork. Yeah. Get these wrapped. All right, so I'm gonna let these rock another hour. You know, my temp dropped a lot in my barrel because I had it open for so long. But perfect draft is running. It's gonna be pulling that temperature up. It'll be back up before you know it. I'm loving this thing, man. I can only imagine what it's gonna be like on some larger cooks. Gonna make life easy. So let's come back in an hour. Our old char Griller Dakota is doing the thing. Yeah, very happy, y'all. Very, very happy. All right, so the ribs are off. Let these go for like a little over an hour. I'll let them rest a little bit. They smell amazing. They look amazing. They're juicy. I don't know how well y'all can see that in this light, but they look pretty damn amazing. They smell amazing. But oh yeah, it's still plenty hot, but come on, y'all. Get up there. Oh, yes. Nice and flexible. Got my Onyx Slicer from the Cooking Guild. So we're going to get into this thing, man. I need to know right now what these are tasting like. But yeah, get y'all one of these Cooking Guild Onyx Slicers, man. It's nice Damascus. You can click the link in my bio. It should be in the description as well. Get you one of these Cooking Guild knives for yourself. Use my link, you get a nice little discount too. Oh yeah, this is cutting nicely. All right. Moment of truth. Man, I hope y'all can see that. Look at that smoke ring. Insane. Smells amazing. Moment of truth. Okay, look. I'm gonna be honest with you. These are the best ribs I've made on this offset yet. The smoke is perfect. It's not over smoked. You can tell it was clean smoke. I mean, look at that smoke ring. I hope y'all can see it. I hope to God y'all can see it. That smoke ring is insane. Got a nice bark. Look, it's February, man, and the bugs are already flying around. Y'all see that? Yeah. These ribs are juicy, tender, not overcooked. They're not falling off the bone, but they're biting right through. Yeah, it's not overcooked. But listen, this perfect draft did the job. It really, really did. It kept my temperatures at 250 through the entire cook. And again, you can adjust the temperature on that. What's the range? 150 to 375. That's a big gap, but I'm confident it'll be able to handle it either way, because I'm telling you, anytime I open the lid, add fuel, if it dropped just a little bit, the thing went right up. Or even the few times I opened the lid on the cooker, when it dipped down, that fan kicked on instantly, got the temperature right back up. So, got to tell you, I highly recommend this. And I won't be running my offset without it, because, I'm going to tell you something. I spent my years, paid my dues, learning how to manage fire in this thing. And in these things, I've had several offsets. And don't get me wrong, these are consumer grade, so they are a little tougher to manage than a heavy-duty custom-built smoker. That's because the metal is so thin. But I'm going to tell you, this attachment, the Perfect Draft Blower, is going to make life so much easier if you have a offset cooker like this. And again, this thing is damn near universal. It'll fit just about any of these name brand offsets. But you can go on the website, you can check compatibility. I got to tell you, if you want the convenience of temperature control, something similar to a pellet grill, and the flavor that you're getting from an offset and just amazing smoke, just can't be beat. So y'all, that's going to be it for this one. 10 out of 10 on these ribs. I'm going to take these into the house, and I'm going to hide these. I don't think the family is getting these. But y'all, listen, do me a favor, click all those buttons, subscribe, notify, everything they got, smash it. You know what to do, smash it. And again, if you want one of these, link is in the comments, link is in my bio. Get yourself one today. I'm gonna tell you like I always do, get out there and smoke something, man, cook something, man, get out here on these grills and let's make it happen. I'll catch y'all on the next one.